National Weather Service is keeping us informed of anything that's developing. Our understanding is we should be getting some heavy rains in here after lunch. And there is a possibility of some severe weather later this afternoon, and
including tornadoes.
Including tornadoes. We are on the edge of the suspected area that's been identified by the Storm Prediction Center. The command post is monitoring that. National Weather Service is keeping us informed, along with the State Operations Center.
What happens if the weather starts turning severe? Will you get these people out of here as quick as possible?
We will sound the siren. We have enough first responders on the ground in there to help try to get people into safe areas. As you're well aware, a lot of homes are gone, which limits our places to put people in the event. But all the guys that are on the ground, the boots on the ground, law enforcement, firefighters, EMS, know what the plan is to get these people as safe as possible.
Everybody's aware that there is the possibility of this weather coming in today. You said just a moment ago that there's a transitioning that's going to be happening here at the church. How many people are homeless at this point in time? How many people are looking at going into temporary housing?
My understanding is they had about 20 to 25 people still registered here at the Red Cross shelter. Okay. As for the number that are completely homeless, I do not have those numbers. Just about the numbers we have that have been affected by the storm, we're looking at over 500 homes.
500 homes in the Van area?
In the Van Zandt County area. 515 have been identified.
And then this is not including what we've now learned has happened in Smith County and those people who didn't get help Sunday night.
That's correct.
Okay, thanks.